fans, I welcome you back to this channel once again. I so much appreciate your likes, views, subscribes, and comments you made in my last video. But please, I want to say something. When you view my video, please kindly just hit the subscription button, because if you notice, please, the view is more than the subscribe. Please, I beg you, please, as you view, you subscribe. If you subscribe, they are not actually charging you anything. Thank you very much for that. So let's continue today's class. Today's class is just going to be very brief. Reason is because we just want to make some funny proofs here. Two funny proofs here. Okay? The first proof is that we want to prove that 7/12 is equals to 1/2. As you can see, 7/12 is equals to 1/2. Now, how do we do this? We can do this in just 2 seconds. Just take 7 as a Roman figure. 7 is a Roman figure is simply VII, then 12 is simply XII. Look at. So if I cancel II, I'll be left with V over X, and V in number is simply what? 5, and X in number is simply what? 10. Right? When we divide these two, we have 5 here 1, 5 here 2. So you can see that 7/12 has been proved to be equals to 1/2. Okay? Proved. This is the first one. The second one is we want to prove that 0/0 is equals to 2. Okay? Now, how do we prove this? Now, when you are proving something like this, simply take this 0/0, take any perfect number. Like, for example, now I'm using 1. If I say 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 1, this is same thing as this, because 1 minus 1 gives you 0, 1 minus 1 gives you 0. But I can change this 1 minus 1 to something like this. It's still the same, right? Then I have 1. I can still factorize here, which is same thing as this. You know, when you multiply 1 times 1, will still give you the same thing. 1 times 1 will still give you the same thing, right? So now in this place, we can turn it to a positive and a negative, because under the difference of 2 square, when you have a square minus b square, is same thing as a plus b, and what? A minus what? B. So I can turn this in this form. So therefore, I will have 1 plus 1, then also 1 minus 1, all over 1 into 1 minus 1. So in this case, I can cancel out this. Of course, I'm going to have 1 plus 1 over 1. And 1 plus 1 is simply 2 over 1, and that's 2. So this has also been proved that 0/0 is equals to 2. Okay? But don't take just take note of this proof, but it's not actually does not actually exist. Understand? But it's just a kind of a funny mathematics trick. So you can use that. You can say hashtag challenge your friend. You understand? Hashtag challenge your friend. Okay? So thank you. That's the end of this today's class. But please, I want to beg you again, please, as you view my videos, please kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification, subscribe, leave a comment, views, and share, please. Thank you very much as you sit back and enjoy this amazing wonderful proof